Unraveling Idioms. Understanding, go down the pipe. Hello and welcome. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, go down the pipe. This idiom might sound a bit puzzling at first, but fear not, we're here to demystify it for you. So, let's get started and discover how this phrase can add color and depth to your English conversations. The phrase, go down the pipe, is often used to describe a situation where something is finalized or about to happen. It's akin to saying that something is on its way and there's no turning back. The imagery here is of an object moving through a pipe, unable to reverse its course. It's a vivid way to depict the inevitability or the impending occurrence of an event. While the exact origins of go down the pipe are not clear, it's believed to derive from scenarios where objects or substances move through a pipeline or a similar conduit, signifying a one-way journey towards a final destination. This idiom is commonly used in business and project management contexts to indicate that a plan or decision is in its final stages and is proceeding as expected. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. In business, the new product launch is going down the pipe, and we can expect it to hit the market by next month. 2. In personal plans, our trip to Hawaii is finally going down the pipe after months of planning. 3. In news or announcements, the government's new policy is expected to go down the pipe, bringing significant changes to the industry. It's important to note that go down the pipe is often confused with down the pipeline. While both phrases share similar connotations, down the pipeline usually refers to things that are planned or expected to occur in the future, and not necessarily imminent or final. And that's a wrap on the phrase, go down the pipe. Remember, idioms like this add richness to our language and offer creative ways to express ideas and situations. We hope this video helps you understand and use go down the pipe confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing to make your English communication as effective and colorful as possible.